yeah.
I'm tryna put you in the worst mood, P1 cleaner than your church shoes, Nelly point two just to hurt you, all red lamb just to tease you, none of these toys on lease to, made your whole year in a week too, yeah, main bitch out of your league too, side bitch out of your league too, house of ones, you need a centerpiece, 20 racks a table come from ebony, cut that ever into skinny pieces, then she clean up with her face, but I love my baby, we talking money, need a hearing aid. If I kill any pain, look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Every day a nigga try to test me, It's brutal out here. Guess you didn't cheat, but you're still a traitor. I got my driver's license last week. It's always one step forward and 3 steps back. Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Well, good for you, you look happy and healthy, not me. 'Cause all I ever wanted was to be in